When it comes to maintaining a comfortable, energy-efficient home in Mandeville, Louisiana, every detail matters. From insulation and appliances to windows and doors, the choices you make can have a significant impact on your energy usage and utility bills. One often overlooked yet highly effective upgrade is the installation of energy-efficient doors. Whether you're replacing an old, drafty door or building a new home, understanding the benefits of energy-efficient doors can help you make an informed decision that not only saves you money but also enhances your home's overall comfort. Here's what you need to know about energy-efficient doors for your Mandeville home. Understanding energy-efficient doors. Energy-efficient doors are designed to minimize heat loss or gain, helping maintain a stable indoor temperature without overworking your heating and cooling systems. These doors are typically built with insulation materials and features that prevent drafts, moisture buildup, and energy loss. Energy-efficient doors are particularly important in regions like Mandeville, where the climate fluctuates between warm, humid summers and mild winters. A well-insulated door helps keep cool air inside during the summer and retains warmth in the winter, resulting in lower energy consumption year-round. Benefits of energy-efficient doors. The advantages of installing energy-efficient doors in your Mandeville home go beyond just lower energy bills. Here are some key benefits. Reduced energy bills. By improving insulation and sealing out drafts, energy-efficient doors help reduce the amount of air your HVAC system needs to produce. This means your heating and cooling systems won't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced utility costs. Improved comfort. With better insulation, energy-efficient doors help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable year-round. No more dealing with hot or cold spots near doors or feeling the cold air seep through gaps in the frame during winter. Enhanced home security. Many energy-efficient doors, especially those made of steel or fiberglass, are stronger and more secure than standard doors. They often come with reinforced locks and frames, providing an extra layer of security for your home. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors can increase your home's resale value, as modern, energy-efficient features are highly desirable to today's homebuyers. Potential buyers will appreciate the savings on energy bills and the added comfort and security that come with quality doors. Types of energy-efficient doors. There are several types of energy-efficient doors, each offering different benefits. The right choice for your Mandeville home will depend on your preferences, budget, and the specific needs of your home. Here are some popular options. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is one of the most energy-efficient door materials available. These doors are insulated with a foam core, which provides excellent thermal resistance. Fiberglass doors also offer the look of wood but with much less maintenance, making them a popular choice for homeowners who want durability, style, and energy efficiency. Steel doors. Steel doors are strong, secure, and energy efficient. Many steel doors are filled with a solid core of insulating foam, which provides excellent thermal resistance. Additionally, steel doors are highly durable and low maintenance, making them an excellent long-term investment for homeowners in Mandeville. Wood doors with insulated cores. While solid wood doors offer a classic, attractive look, they can be less energy efficient than fiberglass or steel options. However, many modern wood doors come with insulated cores and weather-resistant features that make them more energy efficient than traditional wood doors. If you love the look of wood, consider investing in a wood door with an insulated core to get the best of both worlds. Patio and sliding glass doors. Energy-efficient patio and sliding glass doors are designed with double or triple pane glass that helps reduce heat transfer. Some models include low-E coatings to reflect heat and prevent UV rays from entering your home, making them especially useful for large windows and patio doors. These doors not only provide excellent insulation but also let in natural light, making your living spaces feel bright and welcoming. Key features to look for in energy-efficient doors. When choosing energy-efficient doors for your Mandeville home, there are a few key features to keep in mind. Insulation. Look for doors with high-quality insulation, such as foam cores or fiberglass materials. The higher the insulation value, measured by R value, the better the door will perform in terms of energy efficiency. Weather stripping and seals. Ensure that the door has high-quality weather stripping around the edges and that the door fits tightly in its frame. Gaps around the door frame can lead to drafts and energy loss, reducing the door's effectiveness. Low-E glass. For doors with glass panels, look for low-E, low emissivity, glass. Low-E glass has a special coating that reflects heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. It also blocks harmful UV rays that can damage furniture and flooring. Strength and durability. Choose a door that is not only energy efficient but also strong and secure. Steel and fiberglass doors offer superior durability and security, making them a great choice for homes that need both energy efficiency and protection. Professional installation. Even the most energy-efficient door will not perform as expected if it's not installed properly. For the best results, hire a professional to install your new door. Professional installation ensures that your door is properly sealed, aligned, and fitted to maximize energy efficiency. A well-installed door will prevent drafts, improve insulation, and keep your home comfortable year-round. Long-term savings and ROI. While the upfront cost of installing energy-efficient doors may be higher than traditional doors, the long-term savings on energy bills make it a worthwhile investment. Depending on the type of door and the size of your home, you could see a significant reduction in your monthly energy costs. In addition to the energy savings, upgrading to energy-efficient doors can increase your home's resale value, offering a high return on investment. Conclusion. Energy-efficient doors are a smart investment for homeowners in Mandeville looking to improve their home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. With various styles and materials to choose from, you can find the perfect door to suit your aesthetic preferences and budget while also saving money on your energy bills. Whether you're upgrading your front door, patio doors, or windows, the right energy-efficient doors will provide long-term benefits and improve the overall value of your home.